Finally did a blowout. I know I haven't checked in with you guys in a minute with my natural hair, but girl, joke. The natural look is courtesy of the one, the only Ashy Mary.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with Ashy Mary once again, and it's the same packaging as usual. First thing I'm seeing is the wig, and then we also got some goodies, so let's get into that. I got a branded Ashy Mary elastic band, an edge brush and comb, some lace tips if needed, hairpins, lashes, a pair of HD wig caps, and an information card. Also I got a bonnet, and also a robe did come in the box as well. This is the wig that we're working with for today. This is Ashy Mary 6x4.5 lace closure kinky straight wig with kinky baby hair, glueless natural newborn hairline, beginner friendly. Now I'm showing you guys the inside. It has removable combs, all right, and then there's also a drawstring in the back with two knobs, which I always love this on the wigs since recently it makes the wig super secure and perfect for glueless wigs. There's a total of 3 combs on the inside of the cap. An adjustable strap is also attached, and as you can see, the lace is pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-everything, so it is an ultimate beginner friendly wig. Now let's get into the meat of the matter. You see that? You see my reaction? It's so natural. The hairline is so natural. I feel like the specific kinky hairline, it looks very believable, very realistic. I went ahead and adjusted the drawstring in the back so you guys can see as usual, but guys, they did their big one on the hairline. It is so believable. You cannot see the lace. There's no cast. It was lovely. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. Ashy Mary literally carries quality wigs, okay guys? Like, they know what they're doing when it comes down to a good wig construction, so I have to give that to them. You see how secure it is? The wig is not shifting at all, so you don't need to worry about that. Looks so good. The hair is really full and soft, very thick. Gives that like, you know, that natural healthy hair vibe. I was telling you that I'm gonna go ahead and get glammed, and we're back. We're back. But yeah, so pretty much I just went on into just styling the hair, and I got up close so you guys can see the hairline even better, but it's so believable, so believable. And you have a good amount of space to work with, so I'm showing you guys the parting space. If you want to switch up the parting, if you want to do braids in the front, feel free to go ahead and explore and do so, you know. So my first look that I did was like 2 little buns, and you're gonna see that, and I think it was just really like cool, and you know,
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell
and that's how we're looking. Gorgeous, right? I absolutely love it. This is just to be more playful and, you know, hip. I absolutely love the fact that I did this, and the hair is so full. You're not seeing through it whatsoever. Love that. So for look number 2, I decided to go ahead and kind of just refresh the hair and go through the entire wig with my with my flat iron. Okay, so I took my time and pretty much did that. I just wanted that nice a straighter look with the wig. It still had that very natural look though, like, because it's so full, which you'll see in a few.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Ooh, you take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Ooh, you take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby. Feelings.
So this is it. You see how flowy the hair is though? Like, the movement is a 10. The ends of the hair is super even. I absolutely love it. But yeah, that's it for look number 2. Okay, so now let's go on to look number 3. I just did something super simple. Anybody could do this. I took 2 pieces from the side and I just did a ponytail in the back. So next, half up, half down, but like a low one. And this was super effortless. Super effortless. That's all it is to it. Really not much. Yeah, the hair is so nice though to manage. It's very easy to manage. It's barely any shedding, by the way. And now for the final look, I decided to go ahead and throw some curls in the wig. Yes, very much versatile. So I went ahead, got my curling iron, and I just went thoroughly through the wig and, you know, got some really nice loose curls in it.
Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
But yeah, guys, you can see how excited I am. It took the curls so well. That looks so good. This is giving a classy, natural blown out list. It's like, you know, you blow your hair out and you put some curls in there. That's the vibe it's giving. It's so natural looking. Love it. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Listen, I'm so dramatic. No, I was feeling myself though. But guys, the direct link to this wig is in my description box. Any deal going on, it will be listed. Shout out to Ashimiri once more, and I'm reassuring you once more that it is glueless. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and you can go ahead and check out how I did this look on my IG and my TikTok, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.